I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath.
And just like that, her critics lose it, completely lose it. Ingon si Leila de Lima, violente kuno siya. Na a congressman says that she's setting a bad example for the youth. Kunya si Claire Castro, she hopes it was just said figuratively. Seriously? You think that she meant that literally? Because if you believe that, ang problema dili ang iyang gistorya, ang imong ability to understand plain language. Bloodbath wasn't a threat. It was a statement meaning, ready ko. Let's fight this out in the open. And that is not brutality. That's someone refusing to be silent while being attacked. And let's not act like her critics are calm and civil. They're the loudest ones in the room, throwing accusations, making noise, pushing narratives. But the moment nga nitubag na siya with strength, suddenly too much na siya. This is not about her words. This is about the fact that she refuses to play weak. Bloodbath ba? Kung sa binisaya pa, sige, aron makita ang katag. Utang buot.